Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how you can basically fix your Xfinity remote if it's not working. So the first method is to reset the remote and then pair it again with your TV. So what you need to do, if you have an XR15, you're gonna press and hold the triangle and the D diamond button for 3 seconds until the status light changes from red to green. Then you have to press 9, 8 and 1. Now after that, if you have a XR16 voice remote, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press and hold the info button and the home button until the status light blinks. Then you're gonna press power, then last this arrow and then the volume down button. Now what you have to do is you simply have to repair it with your TV box. So make sure your TV box is already open and then you will be able to repair it. But if it still does not fix your Xfinity remote, what you need to do is you need to contact their customer support. This is the only way that you can fix your Xfinity TV remote. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and support our channel. If this video helped you guys out, please comment down on what you guys would want to watch next in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.